everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Linda. Thank you all so much for joining me today. If you've not subscribed to my channel yet, so go ahead and click on the red subscribe button down there that says subscribe. Afterwards, you click on the bell icon. That way you get notified whenever I post any new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all an update on how I make my delicious meat pie recipe. I'm going to leave a link of my previous meat pie recipe in the description box down below, so feel free to check that out. So I'll be making update on how I made this delicious meat pie recipe, guys. So make sure you try this recipe out. It's super delicious, it's flaky, it's buttery, it has everything you need in it, okay? And it has all the flavor, don't forget that. So it has all the flavor. So go ahead, like, share and subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and I'll see you all in my next video. So let's get into this. So now I'm going to start off by making the filling for the pie. So in my pan, I'm just going to heat it up, and I'm going to be adding some coconut oil. Then after that, I'm going to be adding some chopped onion. So I'm going to stir fry this onion for about 5 seconds. You don't need to stir fry it for too long. So after I done stir frying the onion, I'm gonna go ahead and add my jalapeno peppers and my habanero peppers. Yeah, I know I love peppers so much, guys. I'm a spicy girl, so if you know you can handle spice, don't worry about adding the habanero pepper, because that one is hotter. So then I'm going to be adding my ground beef. So I'm just going to cook this down until it's no longer pink. So that's when you know it's ready to go. So when I'm done cooking it for a bit, you can see the still pink right there, but I'll just go ahead and add in my stock cube. Then I'll add all my seasoning, my thyme, the salt. Yeah, so the only thing I didn't add there is curry powder. I don't know, you can choose to add it if you wish, so but I'm not in for curry powder right now. So I'm just going to stir this up nicely until they're nice and well cooked, not fully, but So then I'll be adding my shredded carrot. So you can choose to chop the carrot up, but I just love the way it came out with the shredded carrot. Like, it tastes so good. Make sure you try it out, try something new. So then I'll be adding my thickener. So in there I have some cornstarch and a little bit of water. So that's gonna combine all the meat together, so it sticks. All right, so you can use flour and water if you don't have cornstarch at hand, so that works really well too. So all the list of ingredients, measurements will be in the description box down below, so be sure to check that out. So when it's done, just go ahead and put it aside. So in here I'll be using my food processor, so I'll be adding some flour, icing sugar, a little bit of salt, and very cold butter. You need a very cold butter for this recipe. So the cold butter will give your crust this flaky texture. We all love flaky pie dough, so you need everything to be cold basically. So you can do this by hand if you don't have a food processor, okay? It's totally fine. So I don't want stress, so I might as well go ahead and use my food processor. So after that, I'm going to be adding egg yolk and some water. So you're going to just continue mixing this until a dough is formed. So when the dough is formed, I'm just going to go ahead and place it on my work surface, and I'm going to knead it just to combine the dough together. So if you're going to use the measurement that I put there, if you want yours to be more, make sure to double your measurement. So after that, I'm just going to wrap it up and put it in the fridge to chill for about 20 minutes. So 20 minutes later, my dough is ready. So we're just going to flatten it down with my rolling pin, and be sure to flour your work surface so it doesn't stick. So when I'm done rolling the dough out, so I'm just going to be using this sketch that I made. So I basically made a sketch on attachment paper. That's an apple, so you can just use your pencil, whatever, to draw an apple. Then just use the scissors to cut it out, so then you have something you can trace. So just basically going to place it up, then I'm going to trace the shape. So that's how I got the shape. You can draw any shape that you want, pumpkin, it's totally up to you, but this is what I'll be using. So that's how I was able to get the shape. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish up with the rest of the dough.
When we never let go, never let go. Ooh, we never let go. We can figure this out. Put your feet down.
Now that I've gotten all the dough cut out, I'm going to go ahead and add in a teaspoon of the meat filling, and I'm going to go ahead and apply some water around the edge so it should be easy for me to seal them up. So then I'm going to use the other one, and basically I'm just going to seal the pie up so it doesn't leak out. So then I'm going to be using the fork. We all know this process. So yeah, so that's how I do it. So I'm just going to continue with the rest of the dough like this. I'll show you one more time how it's been done. So at this point, if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, guys, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please go ahead and click on that red subscribe button down below. Okay, the red button that says subscribe, just click on it, okay, right now. All right, so click on it and go ahead and click on the bell icon. That way you get notified whenever a new video is being published. Okay, you'll be the first to see the videos. So don't forget to give me a like. Make sure you click on the like button there. Okay, it really helps. It helps me know the kind of video that you would like to see. So click on the like button, and you can share this video as well. Share it to anywhere shareable, so like, share, subscribe to my channel, please. So as soon as I was done with everything, I went ahead and put the dough in the fridge to allow it to harden up, because we use butter, so allow it to harden up a bit. So like for about 10 minutes, then I took it out from the fridge, and I'm going to just poking some holes so that it's cooked through.
Figure this out. Put your feet down.
So now I'm going to apply my egg wash. So I just whisked one egg, and I'm just going to apply it on the top of the dough so that when you bake it, it will give it that golden brown color that we all love. So I'm going to do this now, and after that we're going to bake this on a preheated oven, 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes, depend on your oven. and afterwards your meat pie is ready, guys. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.
Throw your stones the river.